Yes, good morning everyone. So today we'll continue with exercise 13.6. Okay.
सर
What is it?
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 वापस करवा सकते हो?
क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तुम्हें कल करवा दिया था, फिर करवाना है। Question number 3 there are two types of
सर
soft.
नहीं लिख पाए थे।
तो बेटा लिखना है ना, तो वही जैसे मान लो आप रोज नहीं लिखोगे तो मैं फिर रोज रिपीट करूंगा तो फिर कोर्स कैसे आगे बढ़ेगा। इसके पहले भी आपने लिखे थे, आपको लिखना है और लिखना है, नहीं लिख पा रहे हो तो आप स्क्रीन शॉट ले सकते हो ना, बाद में नोट कर लेना। ठीक है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू रिपीट द क्वेश्चन डेली ना। ओके, दिस इज लास्ट टाइम आई एम रिपीटिंग ना। ओके, so there are two types of soft drink, two types of packs of soft drinks available, right? Question number 3. So one is in the shape of tin can, one is in the shape of tin can, ठीक है, that is in form of cuboid. If you were to shift the bottle okay, and the length breadth and height of this is given. So height is 50 centimeter. ठीक है, its length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. And this is tin can. It is solid and another is in the shape of cylinder. है ना? It can be the rectangular piece and length is given. And second is plastic cylinder. Second is plastic cylinder. This is another soft drink pack which are having in the form of plastic cylinder. Its height is given 10 centimeter and radius is 7 by 2 centimeter. Why? Because diameter is 7 centimeter. Is that clear? So what we need to find, we need to find the which container has the greater capacity and by how much. So greater capacity means you find out the volume, right? So first of all, find out the volume of tin can. So volume of tin can will be equal to volume of tin can. This is the form of what? The volume of the world L into B into H. So L is 5 centimeter into B is 4 centimeter. That is equal to 300. And volume of plastic cylinder, volume of plastic cylinder, that is capacity of volume plastic cylinder is heat of that is pi r square is pi is 22 by 7, r square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and h is 10 centimeter. Okay, so 7 cancel and 2 5 are and 2 11. So 11 into 7 into 5 is 11 into 35. That will be equal to 385 centimeter cube. So it is asking that whose capacity is more. So it is clear from the capacity that the volume of plastic cylinder is more. है ना? तो difference of the capacity कितना होगा? Difference of the capacity, that is 385 minus 300, that is 85 centimeter. है ना? So therefore capacity of plastic cylinder is more by 85 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ प्लास्टिक के अंदर जो है दैट इज 85 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मोर देन द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द और कैपेसिटी ऑफ द ट्यूब। इज इट क्लियर राघव? राघव, इज इट क्लियर? यस राघव, no reply from your side. Am I audible or not? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Raghav, is it clear now? Hello, Raghav. So please note down. Yes, Krishka, Mridul, Pari, Priyansh, आप लोग नोट कर रहे हैं? Yes, Divya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Raghav, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I run this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we move on to the next question. Now, so please, I am giving very important information to all of you. You all are listening or not? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Listen.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, listen. This is very important information for you, as you have got your message in the your class group that the CBSE is going to conduct a very important exam related to math, that is Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. Okay. In short, you can see AGC. AGC. Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. This exam is going to conducted online by CBSE. Okay. So this is compulsory for all of you to participate in this Ganit challenge. Some of you have already given this exam last year. Okay. But that was on offline mode, but this year it is online mode. So what we have to do? The instruction, first of all, note down the instruction. Okay, this exam is for class 8, 9 and 10. This is for class 8, 9 and 10 students. Okay, for 3 classes only. So how to register for this? So the each and everything I have sent to in your group. You can just read it out thoroughly. And last date for last date of registration Last date of registration for this exam is 25th tomorrow. That is 25th 11 20. After 25, you cannot register for this exam. So it will take hardly 20 minutes to registration for the registration of this exam. So what exactly you have to do? You have to go to Play Store, right? Go to Play Store, or those who are using iPhone. So iPhone में कौन सा स्टोर होता है? This is for Android, ना?
App Store.
App Store, right? So this is our App Store, and you have to download Diksha app. Diksha app. Okay, you have to download the Diksha app. After downloading the Diksha app, what you have to do? You have to register yourself. Okay, you have to register yourself. Register yourself. Okay, you have registered yourself. How to register? There is a registration process is given there. You have to write your name, write your school name, location, and your email ID, your class. Okay, you have to write all the things. जो भी उसने पूछेगा आप आपको just fill it out. Okay, आपका नाम, father's name, date of birth, class, school name, school location, स्कूल किस कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में है, एंड वन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट इज देयर विल बी आस्क्ड वन UDICE ID, UDICE ID, या UDICE ID आपसे पूछेगा. This is your UDICE ID. This is related to school code. So that will be, in that case you write 2210111420. Please note down. Please note down this UDICE ID. तो UDICE ID आपको वहां पर मांगेगा, तो आपको ये वाला UDICE ID लिखना है. This is our school's ID. Okay, 2210111420. You have to fill this UDICE ID and register yourself. Okay, register में आपका email ID मांगेगा. So after registering, when the registration process will be completed, then in the same app there is given one column is given, that is Aryabhatta में गणित चैलेंज. Aryabhatta गणित चैलेंज, राइट? सो आर्यभट्ट गणित चैलेंज यहाँ आपको देगा. जस्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन इट. आपको क्लिक करना है यहाँ पर, एंड क्लिक करने के बाद जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन पूछेगा आपसे, दैट यू हैव टू फिल इट अप. ओके, लाइक इन विच क्लास यू आर स्टडिंग, what is the name of your school, what is your UDICE code of the school, each and everything you have to fill it out. Okay, after filling it out, you have to submit. Last option, that is you have to submit on, you have to click on submit button. ठीक है, click on submit button. After submission, you will be eligible for giving this Aryabhatta Ganit challenge. Okay, but when you are registering yourself, you must write the correct class. If you have written class 10, then the question of that level will be coming to your in your mobile. Okay, so you will be very careful while you are registering, while you are entering your class. If you are in 8, 9, and 10, whatever class you have, you just fill it out, fill it correct entry. ठीक है, आप क्लास 9 है तो क्लास 9 एंट्री करेंगे. Then in that table, of question will be asked in that data. So when you submit, you are eligible for the exam, and there are 4 modules given. Okay, in that exam there are 4 modules. 1, 2, 3, 4. Module 1, module 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 modules. You have to just click on the module 1, and there are some questions and there are some important videos. Okay, so just you have to go through it you have to see the video, and after watching the video, you have to give the answer of the questions related to the video. If you want to see the video again, you can see the video. But it is not any restriction that you will see the video only once. You can see the video many times. After watching the videos, you have to give the answer related to that video. Okay. When you give the answer to that questions, so when this will be completed, module one will be completed. When your module one is completed, then you click on module 2. So similarly in module 2, there are so many interesting things like video, audio, and so many things are there. Just you have to see or watch on a screen and with full concentration. आपको इसको देखना है and again you have to give the answer. Okay, so like that you have to complete 4 modules. This is the schedule for 14 days. This is the schedule for 14 days. In 14 days you have to complete all the 4 modules. Okay, in 14 days you have to just visit for a moment. Visit for a minute means it will take hardly half an hour to watch the video and complete your module. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको दिन भर देखना है या दिन भर आपको आंसर देना है. ओके, इट विल टेक हार्डली 1 hour, हार्डली 1 hour. 1 hour मैं ज्यादा बोल रहा हूँ. It will take hardly half an hour to complete the module. Okay, and first of all, when you are giving the answer of any module, to before that you have to see the related video very carefully. Then only you will be able to give the answer, right answer. Okay, when all the 4 modules will be completed, then your course will be completed. ये आपको 14 डेज का टाइम दिया हुआ है. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि आप एक दिन में ही पूरा कोर्स कर लो. आप आराम से हाफ एन आवर 1 hour करके आप इस 4 मॉड्यूल को आपको धीरे धीरे कंप्लीट करना है. So after completion of all the 4 modules, you will be provided one e-certificate. That is e-certificate. E-certificate. Okay. E-certificate, that is the participation certificate, means you have participated in that AGC and you will get your e-certificate online. You can download your e-certificate and that is very good, and I hope you all will be registered for this. And if you are having any doubt related to this this means whole process, if you are facing problem while you are entering yourself in this R1 training challenge, yeah, and you can call me. Okay, and as you know my contact number, my mobile number is 96308 and it is already been given in your message which we have sent 2 days back. तो आप ऊपर ही देख सकते हो. And you have to, in this way you have to register. और कभी भी किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम आएगा रजिस्ट्रेशन में, you can directly call and I will definitely help you. Okay, so is that clear to everyone?
सर वो 14 डेज का टाइम कब से जाएगा?
Yes, 14 days का मैक्सिमम टाइम है. 14 डेज में
Yes sir, clear.
14 डेज के बाद ये अपने आप क्लोज हो जाएगा. तो बिफोर 14 डेज you have to complete anyhow. Okay, if you complete all the 4 modules, then only you will be eligible for e-certificate. If you have completed only 2 modules or 3 modules, then you will not be getting any certificate. Okay, so anyhow you have to complete, and it is very easy. Okay, and very interesting also. Is it clear?
Yes sir,
Yes,
clear.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay, so I am rubbing this. Shall I rub this? Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपने नोट कर लिया, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको जरूर नोट करेंगे आप लोग. ओके, so tomorrow I will get the feedback from all of you that how many of you know submit register yourself. Okay, and I want full participation Okay, I want complete participation means सारे बच्चे लोग को इसमें participate करना है. Okay, and I will get your feedback tomorrow that how many of you have registered for this exam. Okay, ठीक है, सब लोग register करेंगे? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
जितने लोग देख रहे हैं या जो लोग नहीं भी देख रहे हैं तो आप हमको इन्फॉर्म करेंगे और ये ग्रुप में ऑलरेडी आ चुका है तो आप लोग इसको मैक्सिमम पार्टिसिपेशन आई वांट आई थिंक देयर आर 60 स्टूडेंट्स रजिस्टर्ड इन क्लास 9th and I hope all the 60 must be participated in this exam. Okay, now we move on to the next question. The next question is question number 4. Question number 4 is if the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter cube and height is 5 centimeter. Height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter, right? And value of pi is given. Pi is equal to 3.14 you have to use, right? And you need to find the radius of the base and its volume. And lateral surface area of cylinder is given. So as you know that lateral surface area of cylinder is given 94.2 centimeter square. So lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. 2 pi rh is equal to 94.2. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7. And R we need to find. And also we need to find volume. Okay, so 2 into 22 by 7. R into H is 5 centimeter, 94.2. So therefore R is equal to 94.2, and this 7 will be transformed here in multiplication, and 2 into 22 into 5 will be 2. अच्छा पाई की वैल्यू भी आपको रखना है नॉट पाई की वैल्यू आपको रखना है 3.14 सॉरी दिया है ना पाई इक्वल टू 3.14 सो 2 into 3.14 into r into h is 5 is equal to 94.2. So therefore r is equal to 94.2 divided by 2 into 3.14 into 5. So ये कैंसिल हो सकता है आपका 2 से हो जाएगा कैंसिल 2 4s are 8 and 2 7s are and 2 1s are ठीक है and you can cancel it 47.1 so डिवाइड हो जाएगा ये divided by 3.14 into 94 point. So this will be equal to how much? 3.14. So 3.14 so 471 divided by 314 into 5. यहाँ डेसिमल के बाद 2 प्लेस है it will be 100 और यहाँ 1 प्लेस है it will be 10. So 0 cancel 5 2s are 10 again you can cancel it by 2 so 2 1s are 2 or 2 5s are 10 2 7s are and this will be I think by 3 by 3 157 3s are 3 7s are 21 3 1s are 15 15 on 2 17 3 1s are 3 on 2 this will be cancelled by 3. So R is equal to 3 157 1s are 157 157 3s are 471 that is 3. So your radius is now how much 3 centimeter R is equal to 3 centimeter. Now you need to find the volume. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. So pi 3.14 r is equal to 3 into and h is equal to 5. So 3.14 into 3 is 9 5 are 45. Multiply this, you will get the answer in centimeter cube. Okay, I hope you can multiply this 3.14 into 45 and you will get the answer in centimeter cube. Is that clear? सबको क्लियर है? Please note down. Now, next question is question number 5. It cost rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface area of the cylindrical vessel. Right? एक cylindrical vessel है, उसमें आपको पेंट करवाना है inner side में, inside में, right? And the depth of this is 10 meter. So depth means height. So question number 5, depth means height. Height is given 10 meter. Okay. And cost of painting is रुपीज 20 पर मीटर स्क्वायर. मीन्स 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट कितने हैं? रुपीज 20 है. एंड टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग, टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग inner curved surface area is rupees 2200. ठीक है? So therefore inner curved surface area will be equal to inner curved surface area of vessel will be equal to 2200 divided by the cost is rupees 20 per meter square. 20 per meter square. Okay. So when you divide this, what you will get? You will get 110 meter square. 110 meter square. This is the inner curved surface area of the vessel. And what is the inner curved surface area of the vessel? Curved surface area of the vessel is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH is equal to 110 meter square. So 2 into 22 by 7, and we need to find what? Radius. So R we need to find, and H is given 10 meter. 10 meter is equal to 110. So therefore R will be equal to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. So here 0 cancel. 11 1s are 11 2s are, that will be equal to 7 by 4 centimeters. So radius of the vessel will be, radius of the vessel is, this is the first part. So radius of the inner curved surface area of the vessel is, inner curved surface area is 110. This is first part, and second part is we need to find the radius. So radius is 7 by 4. And last one is capacity of the vessel. Third part is capacity of the vessel. Capacity means volume. Capacity of vessel will be equal to volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h. So pi is equal to 22 by 7. R is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, and height is 10 meter. Now solve this. So 7 cancel. 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 11s are, that is 7 5s are 35 into 11, that is 385, and that is divided by 4 meter cube, right? That is 385 by 4 meter cube. These are the answers, all the three answers. ठीक है? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Please note down. And if you want to simplify it, you can simplify it. 7 by 4 will be equal to 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are and 4 5.
1.75.
1.75 meter आ जाएगा और this will be equal to 4 9s are 36 and 2 4 6 are 24 है ना 4 2s are 8 और 4 5s are 96.25 meter cube and this can be also written as 96.25 kiloliter. Why? Since 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kg होता है because capacity is always in liter or kiloliter. So 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. That is why 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kL. It is 96.25 kiloliter. Right? So this is the final answer. Please note down. Completed this side. Now, the next question is the capacity of the closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. How many square meters of metal sheet would be needed to make it? ठीक है? So capacity of cylindrical vessel is given how much? 15.4 liters. Okay, and height of this is 1 meter. Question number 6 is also very good question. Question number 6. It is given that height of the cylinder is 1 meter and capacity of cylinder, capacity of vessel, cylindrical vessel, capacity of cylindrical vessel is 15.4 liter, right? But we need to find the how much seat square meter of sheet required for making the tank, this vessel. So height is given. First of all, we will find out what? We will find out the radius of this vessel. So for finding out the radius of this vessel, height is given in meter, but your volume is given in liter. So first of all, you convert this liter into meter. Okay. So capacity of cylindrical vessel is pi r square h. Okay, and this is 15.4 liter. And liter to meter cube में change करेंगे. As you know that since 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter ना, है ना? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. Is it correct or not? Tell me. राघव, हरित.
सर
Sir.
है ना? हमने पहले क्वेश्चन में किया था ना? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So convert this 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So 1 liter will be equal to, therefore 1 liter will be equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. 1 liter will be equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So this will be divided by 1 by 1000. This will be converted into meter cube. Okay. So pi is equal to 22 by 7. R we need to find, and h is 1 meter. That will be equal to 15.4. Right? So R will be equal to 15. Who is this?
सर श्रेयल को म्यूट कर दो ना.
Tail. And this 22 by 7 is transferred as 7 by 22. Okay. Now 154 into 7 by 1000 into 22, and decimal के बाद 1 प्लेस है तो यहाँ 10 आ जाएगा, right? So 22 was 22, 22 sevens are. So R square will be equal to 7 sevens are 49 by 10,000. So R will be equal to under root 49 by 10,000. So square root of 49 is 7 and this is 100. So radius is 7 by 100. Now what we need to find? We need to find how much square, how many square meter of sheet required for this making the tank. And this is closed cylindrical tank. Read the question properly. This is closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank means what? You need to find the total surface area. You can see in question that what is given. It is given that this is the capacity of the closed cylindrical tank. Closed means you need to find the total surface area. So